scared for a fact. Final time on that one, 4.169. 86 Chevy, he calls the home. Come on, he wants to hear you. If you're still here and you're still... The Hulk, the time, 6.393. Final time, 8.142. 8.142 for Craig Hall.
Every time Kenny smashes it, uh-oh! We'll turn the little blue button on the steering wheel. See what happens, got to go 590 or quicker. Kenny Miller's still in the lead, but a 4.16 from last night. Uh-oh! Grab a fire stick. Grab a fire stick. Come on. Clock's good, 24.04 is our time. 24.04 for the little yellow Jeep. Had a big nitrous explosion. He was smart. It was on fire. He spun it over, sucked it all back down, everything was fine. Bring the Slimer to the line. Gotta go quicker than a 4.16. I'm not sure that's gonna happen, but still gonna sling some money. What do we got for a time? Time on the Slimer, 8.10 and 8.10. 8.10 for Chad Lowry in the Slimer. Craig Hall went 8.14 last night. Can he go quicker than that? Stop the clock. Stop the clock at 10.92. Making money and popping popcorn. 6.334. That's Jake Donald's time. Lake Dallas, Texas, the big truck they call the Hulk. Some of you got here a little early. You probably saw me set that thing down out there by the parking lot, sitting on the rear end. Looked like he drove into a Puff Daddy concert and somebody jacked his wheel. Next thing I know, these guys are down there stealing the wheels off Kenny Miller's Jeep. So I ain't sure what they're doing, but they got some tires and wheels on it anyway, so we're gonna see what happens. Ricky Fowler, the Hulk truck, 5-ton rear end. I know on Kenny Miller's Jeep, all of a sudden this truck's gonna start popping wheelies. I got some bad news for him. It ain't fixing to happen. Y'all ready to see Ricky Fowler in the hump? Come on, Nacogodoches. Here we go. Show me some of that mud, big gun. Come on now. Hit me right in the mouth, man. Ricky Fowler's time, 5.909 to 590 for Ricky Fowler. Man, I tell you what, that's a big old truck be going 590s. Maybe them Kenny Miller tires and wheels off the farm Jeep helping out. I know one thing, he hit me right in the mouth with a dirt clod.